Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about unitary method problems. Okay, how to solve unitary method problems. Let us introduce new chapter, 6th unit, averages. In today's class, I am going to explain averages. All of you on your videos, take out the textbook and running notes and sit properly, children. Okay, 6th unit, averages. What is the meaning of average? Why we are calculating average? What is the uses of average? How we are find out average? These topics we will discuss in today and tomorrow classes. Okay. First, what do mean by average? First, what do mean by average? The average of a group of numbers average of a group of numbers of the same kind of the same kind is a single number is a single number which represent the group which represent the group which represent the group. First, what is the meaning of average? What is the meaning of average? The average of a group of numbers. The average of a group of numbers of the same kind. Okay? Same article, same object, same kind, same things. Is a single number. Is a single number which represent the group. Okay? Which represent the group. Okay? How to find out average? Average is nothing but sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Okay? Average is nothing but sum of the numbers, sum of the articles, sum of the observations, sum of the objects, sum of the weights. The given question according to we have to write there sum of the. Okay? Sum of the objects, sum of the things, sum of the numbers, sum of the articles, sum of the observations. We have to write anything given question according given question. Board is very clear, children, here. Once you log out and log in. Sana, I think your network problem. Average. First step. step is find the sum of all the given numbers. Find the sum of all the given numbers. Find the sum of all the given numbers, given articles, given weights, given marks, anything. Okay, according to problem. Next, second step, divide the total by the number of numbers. Okay, divide the second step. Divide the total by the number of numbers, a number of articles, a number of observations, number of add-ins, number of numbers, number of things, number of numbers. First step is find the sum of all the given numbers. Find the sum of all the given numbers. Next, second step is divide the total by the number of numbers or number of articles, number of things, number of observations. Okay. Average is nothing but sum of the numbers. Okay, total number of sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Sum of all the numbers. Average equal sum of all the numbers. Okay, sum of all the numbers, all the articles, all the observations, all the things, all the weights given according to problem. In problem given weights, we can add the weights. In problem given marks, we can add the marks. In problem given marks, scores, we can write here scores. Sum of all the scores, sum of all the marks, sum of all the weights. Okay, according problem. We have to write according problem. But sum of all the numbers. Sum of all the numbers are articles or items. Sum of all the items. Items by the number of items. The number of items. The number of items. First, what do you mean by average? The average of a group of numbers of the same kind, okay, is a single number which represent the group, First, in average, first step is find the sum of all the given numbers, and second step is divide the total by the number of numbers. Next, average is nothing but, what is the formula of average? Okay, this is average formula of average. Average is nothing but sum of all the items. Okay, the sum of all the items by the number of items. Okay, write down, children, on your videos and sit properly. Write down. Okay. What I said, children? Average equal sum of all the items. Sum of all the items by number of items. Okay. Very important formula this one. Okay. So you learn and you by heart also. Average equals sum of all the items. All the items. Items is regarding of problem. Not only items, things, objects, next their weights, anything. Okay. From problem by number of items. Okay. For example, Bhavani got marks in each subject. In each subject. How many subjects do you have, children? How many subjects? Yes, very good. 5 subjects. Okay. In each subject, Bhavani got marks. Bhavani got marks in each subject. In each subject in Telugu. Okay. I'm not writing subject wise names, but each subject, how many marks I am writing. In Telugu, 90. In Hindi, 95. In English, 96. Next in mathematics, 98. Next in EVS, 93. Okay. She got marks in each subject. In each subject, Telugu 90 marks, Hindi 95 marks, English 96 marks, in mathematics 98 marks, in EVS 93 marks. Okay. Here, what is the average of Bhavani got marks? What is the average of Bhavani marks? Okay. What is the average? What is the average of marks of Bhavani? What is the find the average of, okay, what is the average or find the average also nothing will happen. What is the average of, what is the average of Bhavani scored marks? Okay, Bhavani scored marks. Bhavani scored marks. For example, I am taking for example problem. Okay. Rashika Reddy, already you did, boy. Okay. How can we get 90 average? Okay, how can we get? Now I will explain. Okay, listen carefully. First, Bhavani got marks in each subject. In each subject, 90, 95. In Telugu, 90 marks. In Hindi, 95 marks. In English, 96 marks. In mathematics, 98 marks. In EVS, 93 marks. What is the average? Find the average of Bhavani scored marks. Okay, Bhavani scored marks. First, what we do? What is the average? What is the formula of average? Yes, first we have to write formula of average. Average is nothing but sum of all the items by number of items. Okay, we know already. What is the average formula? First, write formula of average. Average Here, average formula is, we know already. What? Sum of all the items. But here, items place we have to write. Yes, marks. In according question here given in this problem, marks, each subject marks given. So we have to write total sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks. Okay, here items, we know formula is items, but in this problem given about marks, we have to find the average of marks. That's why we have to write sum of all the marks. For example, here 5 students weights, 5 students score marks in one subject. Given also, we have to write according problem. Okay, did you understand, children? Sum of all the marks by number of subjects. Yes, number of subjects. Here number of items. We have to find out what each subject is. Here given in this problem given, each subject marks given. Each subject. Okay, so we have to write number of subjects. Number of numbers. Number of numbers also. How many numbers given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we have to write here 5 numbers. Or number of subjects also. In each subject, in 5 subjects. Okay, in 5 subjects, in each subject. In each subject, she got marks here given. Or in 5 subjects. How many subjects are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of numbers or number of subjects. Right, number of subjects. Number of subjects. Next, say children here, 90 plus 95 plus 96 plus 98 plus 93. Sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks. So 90 plus 95 plus 96 plus 98 plus 93. By number of subjects. How many subjects? Number of subjects. Number of numbers. Say anyone. Number of subjects or number of numbers? How many subjects? Yes, 5. Now add these numbers first. Add these numbers. 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines are 45. Means 450. Next, 5 plus 6, 11. Next, 8 plus 3 also 11. 11 plus 11, 22. 472. Okay. What is the total? What is the sum of all the marks? What is the total of marks? 472. 472 by 5. After simplification, we get average of marks. Bhavani scored marks. Okay, average of Bhavani scored marks. After simplification means do division, children. 472 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45. Next 7 minus 5, 2. 5 fours are 20. 22 minus 20, 2. Next, point. So, we have to write here 0. When we keep decimal point in quotient, we have to write dividend side 0, 20. Okay. Now 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. What is the average? What is the average of Bhavani scored marks? Yes, the average of marks scored 94.4. Okay. Average of marks. .4. Okay. Did you understand, children? How can we find out average? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. 14 members. In my mathematics class, 14 members are present. What happened? In English class and in Telugu class, 22 members are present. But only 14 members. Only Preetham and Srishant. Maybe Srishant. Have or not have, I don't know. But Preetham Reddy, Satvik Reddy, Kali Rakshaya, Bhavani, Vignesh, Mailara and Rishika. Next to Parne Harshit Reddy, Rajshekar Reddy, Rizwan, Sana, Satvik, Tulasi, very good Tulasi. Next to Nirma, only 14 members. Very good children, these children. Next to remaining students got absent only today. I will give absent only for remaining students. What happened? Only 14 members. Right on, children. Now did you understand, Amma? How can we find out average? Did you understand, Bhavani? Do you have doubt? No doubts. Okay, Satvik Reddy. Next, Akshaya, Sana, Rishika, Mailara and Rishika. Do you have any doubt? No. Okay, good. Okay, right on. No doubts. Parne Harshit Reddy, coming and going. By what happened, I don't know. First, what do you mean by average? The average of a group of numbers of the same kind. The group of numbers of a same kind is a single number. Is a single number which represent the group. Okay, which represent the group. Next, average is nothing but sum of all the items. Sum of means add the items, add the numbers. Okay. Next, number of items. How many numbers are there? Here, sum of all the items means the sum of all the marks here. Given about marks. That's why we have to write marks. Sum of means total. Total, add the numbers. 90 plus 95 plus 96 plus 98 plus 93. Number of subjects are number of numbers or number of items. Number of numbers, how many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we said here about subjects. That's why we have to write here number of subjects. How many subjects are there? 5 subjects. Yeah, for yours only 5 subjects are there. That's why we have to write about 5 subjects. Number of subjects 5. Total add the numbers. First, what is the total of these numbers? 472 by 5. After simplification, after division, we get average. What is the average of these marks? Bhavani scored marks 94.4. 94.4. She got average of marks. Okay. I hope you understand how to find out average. In tomorrow class, I will explain exercise 6.1. Okay, exercise 6.1. Today I explained only introduction of average. I explained here only introduction of average. In tomorrow class, I will explain exercise 6.1 problems. How to solve average. How to solve average? Just average is nothing but sum of all the items, sum of all the numbers, sum of the addings, sum of the observations by number of observations, number of items, number of things, number of articles. Okay, we have to use this formula. From this formula to we get average. Okay, average of in given problem. Did you understand, children? I hope you understand. Okay, in tomorrow class I will explain 6.1 sums. Okay, thank you, children.